I'm Yvonne Hills. Let's talk about goal setting. I want to give you 3 easy steps for you to set some goals. So firstly, know what it is you want. Be really clear on what is the outcome you want to achieve. So say if you have an outcome to achieve a certain amount of wealth, what is specifically the dollar amount you want to earn? So if it's $1 million, ask yourself, what will I see? Will I see when I open my bank account $1 million sitting in the bank? What will I hear? Will I hear my bank manager going, congratulations, you now are a millionaire? And more importantly, what will you feel? How will you feel when you are that millionaire? So that's step number 1, define what it is you want and get really clear and specific. Step number 2 is set some goalposts. Often with goal setting, people have this big grand goal. And what they don't realise is that there are a lot of little steps in between which will help them get to that big goal. So take your big goal and break it down into bite-sized little pieces. You know, what's a short-term goal for the next 6 weeks? Then 3 months, and then 6 months until you reach your big long-term goal of a year later. And by setting in those goalposts, you can actually judge, am I on track or am I not on track? So then you can adjust it along the way rather than getting to the end of the year and going, holy mackerel, I've completely missed the whole goal and I've only just discovered it now. Step number 3 is be flexible. There is more than one way to get to your goal. If you are so focused on this is the only path I can take to achieve that goal, you may not ever get there. So you've got to have some flexibility. If what you're doing now isn't working, then change. And if that doesn't work, do it again. And if that doesn't work, do it again. I'm sure you're getting the idea that you need to keep on moving forward to achieve your goal. So those 3 steps again. First of all, define what it is you want. Second is have some goalposts, some shorter term steps in between. And 3 is be flexible. You do all of those 3 and you'll definitely achieve your goal. Because if you keep doing what you've always done, you will always get what you've always got. And my version of that is that's insanity. Have fun and be really focused on what it is you want to achieve.